Hello, I'm Seth from Mr. Locksmith. Have you moved into a new property? Congratulations! You have to ask yourself one very important question. Whether it's your home or business, do you know who has keys to your property? The previous tenant or owner? Their family or friends? Maybe there's a key hidden outside that you're not aware of. Even your neighbors might have a spare key. Hey neighbor, I'm locked out. Can you help me? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Call us today and we can rekey your property and match as many locks as possible to work with the same keys. So you can turn this into this. My name is Seth and I'm from Mr. Locksmith. And we can help you out, or in. And if you tell us you've seen this video, we'll cut a couple of extra keys on the house.